In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a personal touch to your Mailchimp campaigns by using personalization techniques. Personalizing your emails can significantly enhance engagement by making your subscribers feel valued and directly addressed. Today, we'll specifically focus on adding subscribers' first names to your emails using Mailchimp's merge tags. To begin with, go ahead and log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate to the campaign you want to personalize. This might be a new campaign you're drafting or an ongoing one that you're refining. Having access to your campaign is crucial since it's where all the magic will happen. Now that you are in the email editor, it's time to decide where you'd like to personalize your message by adding the subscriber's first name. This is a powerful strategy because adding a name can create an immediate connection with the reader. Scan through your email draft and find a spot where a first name would fit naturally. This is commonly at the beginning of the email or at a specific point where you want to grab your reader's attention. Once you've chosen a spot, you need to access the toolbar, which is generally located at the top of your editor. Here, you'll find the option for Merge Tags. Click on it to see a drop-down list. Merge tags are a way to automatically insert personalized content into your emails. They pull subscriber information from your list into your campaign, which can be a real-time saver and is crucial for personalization. From the drop-down, select the Merge Tag vertical bar fname vertical bar to insert each subscriber's first name into their personalized email. This tag acts as a placeholder for whatever first name is on the subscriber's profile. Doing this transforms what might seem like a generic email broadcast into a tailored message for each recipient, ideally boosting engagement rates and fostering a deeper connection with your audience. Before finalizing your campaign, it's essential to test your email to see if everything displays correctly. You'll want to make sure names appear as they should instead of showing the tag itself. Most email marketing tools, including Mailchimp, offer a preview feature or a test email option. Utilize this to send a test message to yourself or a colleague so you know the personalization is indeed working as intended. Finally, once you've confirmed that the merge tags are functioning correctly and your email reads well, it's time to make a decision. Either send your personalized campaign immediately to connect with your subscribers right away, or choose to schedule it at a time when your audience is most likely to engage. Considering these peak times can greatly impact the effectiveness of your campaign. And that's it. You've successfully added personalization to your Mailchimp campaign. Personalizing your content is a simple yet powerful way to show your subscribers that you value them as individuals. Keep experimenting with these techniques to see what resonates best with your audience. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.